So guys, first method, change DNS setting. So click to start, type control panel, view by, select the category, then go to internet and network, then internet sharing center. Okay, then click to change adapter setting. Otherwise, if you are using Wi-Fi so and Ethernet also, so you have to show two options. Okay, so click Ethernet, then click to property, then double click to IP version 4 and enter like this. If you have like this, so select the like 8.8.8.8, then come to noun 8.secondary, then 8.8.4.4, then hit OK and then close it. Then next, restart TCP IP stock. So click to start and type cmd, then right click to run as administrator, then yes, then type net int space IP, then reset. Okay, then hit enter. And then close it. Next guys, disable IP version 6. So click to start, go to control panel, view by category, go to internet, network and sharing center, click to Ethernet, properties. If this is like this checked, so unchecked and then OK. Okay, close it. Then again click to internet, click to property, then select this and click to configurations, yes, then advance, then find out link duplex setting, select the auto negotiation. So if you select like this, so your internet speed is very slow automatically. If you have a speed, good is internet speed, but it isn't working. Okay, select those and then apply and then OK. Next guys, disable enable your network adapter. So click to start, type control panel. Okay, and select the category, then go to network internet, network sharing center. This is change adapter setting. So you can see, so if your system have a Wi-Fi also, so 2 to 3 options showing here like Ethernet, Wi-Fi. So which is your internet's working, so select this and just click to disable. Wait few seconds, might be 2 to 3 seconds. After that, just right click and enable it. Then close it. Next, run ping test to Google. Click to start, type cmd, then open, then type ping space google.com. So you can see this is 6 milliseconds. Okay, packet received from this show IP, and by you can see this is 6-7 milliseconds. So might, if you have a 6 to 7, minimum 10, under 10 milliseconds means your internet is very good. Okay, 10 to 30 means average. After 30 means your internet really very slow. Okay, so you can see your restart your internet router, and you can also connect disconnect your cable. Okay, yeah. After that you restart your system and then please check it. You follow all the method, then thank you. Open any browser, go to hp.com, x tag 3 dot, then support, then click to software and driver, click to laptop, then guys type HP ProBook 430 G7. Select operating system which is you using, then click to submit. If you are other using, so installation process same. Slow down, find out the network driver. So that is, this is Bluetooth, this is Wi-Fi. Okay, so click to download Wi-Fi latest driver, and now this is ready to install, ready to downloading. And this just single click to set up. VLAN means Wi-Fi. Yes. Next. I accept. Next. Next. So it is completed after you restart your system. Then check it.